What is going on, guys? Cody from KHC here, and in today's video we have a 2025 Range Rover Sport. What exhaust modifications are we adding to this Range Rover? Well, we are starting off with Redstar's secondary downpipes and then moving on to Quicksilver's Sport exhaust system with Sound Architect valves. All right, guys, well, everything is installed on the Range Rover. I think it's now time to give it a couple revs so we can hear what it sounds like. Well, guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed checking out the new upgrades that we did to this Range Rover Sport. I know I did. As always, don't forget to leave a like, comment down below what you thought about it, as well as subscribe to the YouTube channel and join the KHC family, and we'll see you in the next one.